Welcome back to Must See Tech. Last week, we reviewed the newest batch of the cheapest Class A motorhomes in the business. But today, let's not limit ourselves with such a trivial thing as smart budget decisions. We present you a lineup of the poshest American Diesel Pusher RVs that arrive with updated floor plans and amenities in 2024. Subscribe to Must See Tech to stay informed about the latest overlanding news, and let's roll. Numar London Aire. Newmar refers to the 2024 updates to the London Aire as a lifecycle change. This luxury diesel pusher motorhome introduces new decor, revised exterior aesthetics, and advanced technology. Exclusively built on a Spartan K3 tag axle chassis and supported by the Star Foundation, it gets a 605 horsepower Cummins diesel with 1,950 pound-feet of torque. Featuring 5 45-foot floor plans, all bath and a half with a cathedral ceiling for added height, it offers versatility, including a bunk option for family travel. The exterior showcases 4 all-new color options for the full-paint masterpiece finish, while the interior provides 4 new designs and 4 wood cabinetry finishes in high gloss and matte finishes. The London Aire flaunts new front and rear caps, redesigned furniture, slide-out fascia, feature ceiling, and decor. Inside, notable features include a standard all-electric option with lithium-ion batteries, a 10-inch Excite dual monitor dash radio with Apple CarPlay, and easy-close basement doors for outside storage. Entegra Coach Aspire. Still based on the Spartan K2 chassis, the 2024 Aspire brings buyers a couple long-requested features. The coach keeps the usual independent front suspension, but adds a new electronic suspension control system with self-leveling that features an air compressor for extended stay. The front cap design remains unchanged. There is signature Integra coach lighting, plus now you can keep your front cap clean with a newly added hot and cold shower hose. The Aspire sticks to the industry-proven Cummins diesel with 450 horses, Allison 6-speed transmission, and standard easy steer adjustable steering assist. The cabin of the model offers 6 floor plans, all performed in classic American design with leather-crowned compass furniture, hand-laid porcelain tile floors, a residential kitchen with a new water dispenser, and up to 2 bathrooms. Other 2024 additions include new badging, black and gray tank flush, Starlink internet, and a shade for the front windshield. Tiffin Allegro Bus. As of 2024, Tiffin Group offers 6 different models in its Class A lineup. The Alabama-based manufacturer positions the Allegro Bus just one step below its top-of-the-line Zephyr, which means that the former is packed with a host of standard features and premium-level amenities. Available in 4 floor plans, every Allegro Bus gets a bath and a half, 1 or 2 sofa beds in the main living area, a spacious kitchen with polished solid-surface countertops and a residential refrigerator, floor-to-ceiling closet, and a master bedroom that includes a king bed and a flat-panel TV. For luxury-level comfort, the coach is equipped with a power retractable awning, a 10-kilowatt Onan generator, heated porcelain tile floors, a compact heating system from Aquahot, and ultra-leather upholstery for the driver and passenger seats. Every model sits on a Power Glide chassis and is powered by a 450 horsepower Cummins L9 engine, though the bigger 45 FP and 45 OPP models can be optioned with a 605 horsepower X15 Cummins mill that churns out 1,950 pound-feet of torque. Smash the like button if you want us to cover affordable RVs as well as these luxurious castles on wheels. We keep rolling. Thor Coach Palazo GT. The entry-level Class A diesel from Thor gets a Freightliner XC-S straight-rail chassis with a robust Atlas foundation and can be painted in 4 exterior finishes. Powered by a Cummins diesel, it offers confident navigation with air-ride suspension, Sachs shock absorbers, and an I-beam front axle for stability. Accessible basement storage keeps outdoor essentials handy, and the ultimate camping experience is ensured with an exterior 40-inch TV, Bluetooth-enabled soundbar, and LED lit awning. The inviting interior can be had in 4 floor plans. The new 37.5 has sleeping spots for 6, 3 slide-outs, rolled vinyl flooring, a versatile dream dinette, and a well-equipped kitchen with solid-surface countertops. The bedroom offers comfort with queen or king beds, gadget charging ports, and a stacked washer and dryer. The inside luxury is ensured with a cozy electric fireplace, smart TVs, and bunk beds with tablet holders for little ones. The Palazzo GT features a 10.1-inch touchscreen dash radio, swivel leatherette captain's chairs, bird's eye window for pets, and the rapid Camp Plus multiplex wiring control system for easy RV management. Numar Ventana. 2 chassis options, 4 lengths, and 10 floor plans make this motorhome one of Newmar's most versatile coaches. But since in 2024 it arrives all new, we can expect even more tempting features. Both front and rear caps of the Ventana are all new, frameless double-glazed windows are standard, and there are 3 full-paint master price finishes. In this video, we'll tour the freshly added floor plan 35-12 that can be mounted on the Freightliner XCR chassis or an optional Sportan K2. In turn, larger 40 and 43-footers ride on XCR or K2 tag axle platforms. Newmar's Class A's get the industry's first comfort drive adaptive steering and a drop-down bunk above the cabin. There are 3 all-new decor options: Brighton, Palisades, and Saguaro. Redesigned treatment has been given to the furniture, wall sconces, slide-out fascia, ceiling, and window treatments. The hardwood cabinets are available in 4 colors with matte or gloss finish. There is a double-bowl stainless steel sink and full set of appliances. The 35-12 floor plan gets 4 slide-outs, half and full-size baths, sizable wardrobe with a safe, and 2 more wardrobes for extra storage. Entegra Coach Triata XL. Though labeled XL, this is actually one of the smaller, entry-level diesel pushers offered by Entegra Coach. With this model, you're getting Spartan raised rail K2 chassis, a 380 horsepower diesel engine from Cummins, and an independent front suspension for quiet and comfy ride experience. For 2024, the model also adds automatic windshield wipers, automatic headlights, and LED low beam lights to the standard equipment. The front cap hot and cold water line is here. Same is true for the gray tank flush system, previously unavailable on the Triata XL. There are also 3 new paint schemes. Inside, buyers will choose among 4 available floor plans, sleeping up to 6 people. The cockpit houses a new steering wheel and adds Apple CarPlay. Watching TV is possible with standard Winegard Traveler satellite dish, and you can have internet on board by adding a Starlink system. Fleetwood Discovery XLE. The bigger and bolder version of Fleetwood's best-selling Discovery series amps up everything you love about the original. The 2024 XLE is powered by a 450 horsepower Cummins L9 engine and rides on a custom Freightliner chassis with an independent front suspension and a passive steer tag axle that provides 17% of turn radius reduction. The latest versions of the Discovery Giant get 6 exterior graphics and 4 roomy floor plans with up to 4 slide-outs. The driver's cabin is equipped with a digital gauge lifted from a Mercedes S-Class. There are multiple screens for independent camera views and navigation, plus a standard tire monitoring system. Buyers get to choose between 4 decor options and 4 cabinetry styles in gray, white, and beige tones. The 44B floor plan that you're seeing has an articulating king-size bed for the master bedroom that allows you to have access to storage in the travel mode. Plus, the rear walk-in closet houses 2 bunk beds with privacy, extra storage, and room to change. Finally, the shower units of the XLE are now equipped with a shower miser for the most efficient use of fresh water. Holiday Rambler Armada. Armada has been in the Class A market for a few years now, but Holiday Rambler promises that the newest iteration is better than ever, offering updated floor plans and even more patented technologies. The 2024 Armada is underpinned by a custom Freightliner chassis and is propelled forward by a Cummins L9 diesel engine that generates from 1150 to 1250 pound-feet of torque depending on the model. Most of its luxury features are shared across every floor plan, such as vacuum bond floors, walls and ceilings, porcelain tile flooring, hardwood cabinetry, a stainless steel farmhouse sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a dishwasher. Among the standard premium utilities are 3 air conditioners, an 8,000-watt Onan diesel generator, a multiplex monitoring system, and a water filtration system for the whole coach. So the problem of choice comes down to sleeping capacity, bathroom location, and the necessity of an additional separated toilet. Are you a fan of ultra-luxurious RVing? Are these prices justified for the residential creature comforts? Let's discuss in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe to Must See Tech for all your camping news. Ring the bell and check out our previous episode about the most affordable Class A motorhomes of 2024. The links are on the screen and in the description. See you soon!